Hey little monsters, so I just came back from Costco and I really wanted to share a few things that I picked up to get ready for this school season. A couple of things are our top faves and some of them are just new items as well. So I wanted to share them with you. I'm gonna start off with some of the breakfast things that we really like. We have these mini pancakes here. These I love. If you guys follow me, you know I give my son this a lot. They actually come individually packaged. There's 2 pancakes per pack in them and they're already pre-sweetened. So what's really good about that is you don't have to worry about doing any kind of maple syrup or anything like that. It's already there and set. And I also like opening them up and putting like several of the pancakes into like a bento box, and then you can add like breakfast items with it. You could do yogurt, you could do like sausage or berries or something, and it ends up being like a really good breakfast bento box that you can use. Another breakfast item that's perfect for grab and go are these chocolate croissants. There's 16 of them in a pack. They're individually packaged as well. They're super soft. Love the chocolate in them, and they're really easy to eat. My son likes packing them just to have as the snack, like during snack time in school. So that's 2 of our breakfast things that we like having. Next, I love Clementines. We love Clementines. They're so easy to peel. I like having them ready to go also in the bento box, and this is his favorite fruit, so I wanted to share that. And then vegetable, or I guess maybe not vegetable, but cucumbers. He loves cucumbers as well, so I like these like mini cute ones. These I still like to slice up and everything, but they are crunchy and he loves eating these. Go with that, on sale this month for us at least here is the Laughing Cow cheese. So he calls it triangle cheese and he loves eating this. I love adding these to charcuterie board type boxes. So obviously to go with that, we gotta get the salami, and the salami is also on sale, which is perfect. It comes in a pack of 2, so it's a lot of salami, but I like adding them to sandwiches. I like rolling them up, adding them with cheese, crackers, charcuterie boards. Like I said, I love those type of bento meals. And then of course, to go with those 2, we gotta go with my favorite, NonDippers. Love these NonDippers. If you guys follow me, you know that I use them a lot. I love making pizza out of them. I make grilled cheese sandwiches with them. I just add them on the side so we can dip it with like hummus, you know, tzatziki sauce, whatever, but love these things. And it's like $5.99 or something for this entire pack, which lasts forever. So I love adding these to the bento boxes. For snack time, these are on sale this month as well. These are the Make Good granola minis. So there's the blueberry flavor and then the chocolate chip flavor. He likes chocolate chip, I like blueberry, so it actually works out perfectly. And we're just gonna split this pack, but this is a good snack to have. There's no nuts in here, so definitely classroom friendly as well. Oh, and then to add to the boxes, I actually like getting this chicken. This is like pre-cooked chicken. It comes in like several individual packs. If you guys were to meal prep yourself, you can just like cut a pack and just take it. But this a lot actually for a lunch box, especially the way I use it. Sometimes I just cut it up and just kind of like have it on the side that he can just eat it by itself. Or I will top it off with pizza, sandwiches, wraps, any of the above, and it's already pre-cooked, so it's easy to grab in the morning and then just use that into the actual meal much faster that way. So I like having those around. We did find some new things this time, so I found these Duet Bites. These are like the ones that we get from Target. They're like Madeleine brownie type combinations, and they're individually packed, which I really like. So you can actually just add one to your lunch bag or to the box if you want. And this is new, so we just found that. It was actually near where we found the croissants and the mini pancakes, in case you guys are looking. And then another new thing we found is this Magnolia bakery cookies. These are banana pudding cookies, and there's 2 flavors. There's a chocolate chip, and then there's a like confetti one, and it looks so good. I haven't tried it yet. If you guys have tried it and it's good, let me know, comment down below. But I did find these. They were not on sale though, but I really wanted to try it. So hopefully they are good, and they're individually packed as well. There's like 18 of them in here, so I'm excited about that. And then also on sale, we do special treats on a Friday as far as drink goes. Nesquik, it's on sale right now. This is like $9 or something for like 15 cartons, so I'm pretty excited about that. And he usually gets a special drink every Friday, so I'll probably be packing some of these as well. But that's what we got for this current grocery haul. I just wanted to share a few things that I got from it, just things that I'm going to be definitely adding to the lunch boxes this year. And since it's coming around the corner, I wanted you guys to have some ideas and prepare as well. But thanks for watching, guys. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, as I do put out weekly school lunch videos. I also have work lunch videos as well. And you can also follow me on YouTube Shorts, on TikTok and Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a monster-rific week, and we'll see you next time. Bye. So my son just corrected me and he said I said Tic Tac. It's not Tic Tac, it's TikTok. I am on TikTok if you guys want to follow me.